Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and it is a mix of Christmas, and I found some farmhouse stuff in between, as well as just other goodies. So before we get into this haul, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
And please go ahead and hit that notification bell so YouTube can lie to me and tell me that it's sending you notifications when it's really not. But either way, hit that notification bell if you're part of my bestie clan. So let me go right into all of the goodies that I purchased. And this week I was really excited to find these sit back and relax coffee tumblers, or coffee, I'm gonna call them a coffee tumbler. You'll correct me in the comments. I've purchased these from Dollar Tree before in the other patterns, and they are so durable. It's a great alternative if you are not wasteful. You can always use this for your morning coffee, rinse it out, use it again. And like I said, super durable. They come in different colors as well. They have a red and green one. So they're pretty festive right now, especially for the holidays. I love that it's a bright color. And this actually looks like the reusable ones from Starbucks. I mean, we're not trying to fool anyone here, but they do look really great. I was finally able to get my hands on these little boxes. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've seen these. I just held this one up backwards, just kidding. So I've seen these in people's thumbnails and I thought it was wall art. I had no idea that it was a box. So when I saw it in stores, I walked right past it, and then the buffalo check attracted me. When I saw it and I saw that it was a truck up front, I was like, oh, that's what everyone's hauling. And I think this is just so cute. They have two different sizes. I think in total they have like three. They have a larger one, or maybe a teeny tiny one. I'm not quite sure, but I think this is a really good size. It's got the buffalo check, and then it's got regular plaid on the inside, which is really pretty for decor. And then it's got the truck on the outside, which is a nice glittery truck. And you can actually peel this off of here. So if you wanted to use it for a craft, you totally can. If you need something bigger, you can always just remove the truck and put it on your own gift. So that's an option as well. To me, anything distressed looks very farmhouse, and I found these frames. I know this isn't the first time that they've been around, but this is the first time that I've seen them in this size and in this color, and I really love it. They're doing a really good job at basically duping other things, you know, because this is something that you'll buy at Home Goods and stuff, and it'll be like $7 or $8. So for $1, you can't beat it. And anything will look really pretty in here. If you want to put a recipe sheet in here, pictures, even as like a little wedding placeholder, this would be really great. I stocked up on ornaments. I love when they have the long tubes of ornaments, and this year they have a nice mix between glitter and the matte and shiny ornaments. Last year when I went in, most of these packs were just red, green, gold, but this has a lot of very like shades that go together. So if you're putting crafts together that require one shade, you don't need to buy a ton of these. It brings 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 pieces in total, and these are the smaller balls, and I believe the ones that have the larger ones bring 6 in total. Either way, really good buy. I did purchase a ton of these for my snowman craft. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. I spent so much time on it, but it ended up being so great. It's sitting in my living room right now, just being amazing. But I purchased these initially to make the snowman just silver and gold, or like silver and glittery. But I really loved that I went with red in the end, so I'm going to use this for another craft, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to be completely honest with you, when it comes to their kitchen stuff, not necessarily their kitchen stuff, but more like their mitts, I am not a huge fan of the oven mitts because they don't tend to really work, or sometimes I just don't really love the patterns. Sometimes it just looks like it came from the dollar store, but I really love their gingerbread set. So it's this gingerbread towel, and it's got ingredients for gingerbread cookies. That is so cute. And then they have the same thing in oven mitts. I always purchase 2 oven mitts. I can never get away with just using one. So every time I go to Target or Dollar Tree and they have cute little sets like this, I always go ahead and purchase the extra oven mitt. Is there something wrong with me? Am I doing something wrong? Because I can't for the life of me just do a one-hand pull. I always feel like I'm just gonna drop everything. Maybe I'm just weak and I need some upper arm exercises. But whenever something is hot, I'm not just gonna do a one-hand thing. Nope, I'm not. This was really cool, and this was right at the front of the store. One of my Dollar Trees has a little section where they feature certain books that they get that week. And this week I found a DIY holiday craft book. This reminds me very much of the Halloween one that I hauled. I was so happy to find this because not only is it in season, which I'm impressed because Dollar Tree is staying in season for stuff, but it has really good ideas on the inside. It's not, I've purchased some craft books where you open them and you're like, okay, cool. But all this stuff is stuff that is pretty cute, useful, and you can do with Dollar Tree stuff. So to put this together with some of the things that it's saying, like a little craft kit for someone, and to give this as a gift, I think that would be a really good idea. I don't like doing holiday themed gifts, like a Christmas thing on Christmas, because you receive it after Christmas is done. So here you have something that you can't really do anything with because Christmas is over. So just to put this together and give it to someone before Christmas, like a crafter that you know, or a teen or kid, this would be so thoughtful. I found these beautiful magnets and they are farmhouse theme. This one says locally grown, loud and proud, farm raised. And this one says fresh farm, which looks like the wall art that they sell. I did not realize that mine came cracked, so that's why I'm not taking this one out of the package, but I still think they're really good. I'm gonna E6000 this together because I love it. I rarely look in the greeting card section, and I really should because they have such nice greeting cards, especially since now they have the Hallmark Expression line. One that I really loved is this one with the unicorn on there. It's just beautiful colors, and then it says, "'Tis the season to believe." And on the inside, it says, "Wishing you a magical Christmas." And then it brings a nice gray envelope to put in. So all of the colors just look amazing. It looks so pretty. And this in itself looks like an ornament. So if you wanted to put a little hole in it and use it as an ornament, you totally can. Or to tag a gift with it, that's another option as well. I always purchase the socks. I love the men's socks because they fit me a little bit better than the women's socks. The women tube socks cut off my circulation. I've mentioned this before. I probably have big old calves, but I prefer to buy the men's one, and this one has little wiener dogs in wiener buns, so I thought it was really cute. And this is actually for my mother-in-law because she has a little hot dog, so she can wear her little hot dog socks. I bought some nail polishes. I haven't done my nails in tutorials, which is unheard of in the 2 years that I've been YouTubing. And that's because I haven't had time to sit there and do the makeover to the other nails that I hauled last week. But I promise I'm getting around to it. I just didn't want to miss putting up a DIY because my nails were a little funky. But I purchased this glitter LA Colors, and this to me looks kind of like a rose gold. It's very pinky. And then I purchased this nude color. This is color 619. LA Color nails are definitely great to use on press-on nails because you can just walk away and let them dry. They're very, very sheer. So on your nails, I wouldn't really recommend it unless you have a ton of patience and have nothing to do, because they do take a little long to dry and do take a few coats to start looking their true color. So if you are making press-on nails and you don't want to purchase gel colors, these work just fine, although you will have to put a lot of layers on it. But to put on yourself, I wouldn't really recommend it, but still really pretty colors. So let me show you some of the stuff that I thought was amazing in stores but didn't purchase. Dollar Tree had these wood numbers and letters, which I honestly regret not getting now. And then I found these beautiful ornaments. They're so great, but they don't match my decor just yet. More of the really great greeting cards, and these gift boxes were really cool. They're a combination of boxes and bags, so super cool. Okay, so that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments below what you'll be hauling. Check out that giant Frosty the Snowman topiary because I'm so proud of that thing and it took me forever. And guys, thank you so much. Out of all the videos on the internet, you sat here and you clicked on mine and sat through it, and I am forever grateful. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.